What will I say if my Lord were to ask me, didn't you feel embarrassed when you used to sin against me? And you hid your sins from people, and yet you are not ashamed of me. Can you imagine a young lad sitting in front of a computer sinning? He's locked the door, he's shut the gate, he's alone in front of that. He's hiding from mom, dad, uncle, auntie, relatives. Yeah, but the one that owns everything is not shy of that. Allah sees everything. So he goes, أَمَا اسْتَحْيَيْتَ تَعْصِينِي? Didn't you have any haya when you used to disobey me? وَتُخْفِي الذَّنْبَ عَنْ خَلْقِي? And you hid your sins from my creation. وَبِالْعِصْيَانِ تَأْتِينِي? And with your sins you came to me. فَكَيْفَ أُجِيبُ يَا وَيْحِي? Woe be unto me, what will be my answer? How will I respond to my Lord? What will I say?